Is regenerative agriculture profitable? Find out for yourself by watching this video. Regenerative agriculture is a farming approach that has been gaining popularity in recent years. Its goal is to improve soil quality and protect the environment. Although many farmers are not familiar with the term, they often apply some of its practices unconsciously. As many as 95% of farmers already use regenerative practices, and over 70% believe that these methods can bring financial benefits. But is it really worth investing in this farming model? Let's answer that question step by step. Regenerative agriculture helps reduce costs and improve yields. The key lies in caring for the soil and its natural resources. Practices such as no-till cultivation, cover cropping, and limiting artificial fertilizers offer concrete advantages. Reducing the use of phosphorus fertilizers can cut costs by as much as €200 per hectare. With regenerative practices, the soil absorbs nutrients more effectively, so fewer external inputs in the form of fertilizers are needed. No-till farming reduces the number of tractor passes, resulting in fuel savings of 15 to 30%. Healthier soil produces better yields in the long term. An increase of 20 to 25% in crop output means higher income, and regenerative products such as apples often sell at a higher price. They are healthier, more natural, and support eco-friendly practices that consumers increasingly appreciate. Additionally, farmers can benefit from European Union subsidies for eco-schemes and carbon credits. These incentives make the regenerative approach even more profitable. Transitioning to regenerative agriculture requires investment. The biggest challenge is changing the mindset about farm management. You don't always need to buy new equipment right away, because many existing machines can be adapted for no-till operations. Soil testing in regenerative agriculture is more detailed. It costs between €125 and €250 per hectare, but allows for better fertilizer planning. Completely replacing machinery can be expensive, so farmers often spread purchases over several years to ease the costs. Meanwhile, the soil begins to recover. Initial results appear after 2 to 3 years, and full benefits after several seasons. Regenerative agriculture brings not only financial gains, but also major environmental benefits. This system reduces the emission of greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. The soil retains more water, protecting crops from drought. Biodiversity also increases, as new species of plants and animals begin to appear in the fields. Work becomes more rewarding as farmers see their soil getting healthier. Regenerative agriculture works not only on large farms. Small farms can also benefit from adopting this approach. The sooner a farmer begins the regeneration process, the sooner results will be visible. Even small-scale soil improvement can bring tangible benefits. Regenerative agriculture requires appropriate tools and machinery that make it easier to apply modern practices. An example is Rolmako machinery, such as the Rolmako U671 disc harrow. Thanks to its design, it allows for efficient seedbed preparation for cover crops and the reduction of plowing, which supports biological life in the soil. Investing in the right equipment can greatly accelerate the benefits of the regenerative approach. Regenerative agriculture is an investment in the future. Although it requires changes and initial spending, it quickly becomes profitable. Savings on fertilizers, improved yields, and financial incentives make farmers eager to adopt this model. At the same time, they protect the environment, which matters for future generations.